What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on a DEX activity, the Deck of Kinias event was very successful. The deck representing the Thailand #1 Legendary Award for Ultra Therapy Control Unit. The deck gives a song to everyone who was there also to receive an award. The deck song was very energetic that gives the people a good vibes. As you can see, the deck was very happy to see them. From that day, Rosaya was also happy going home from her live event on TikTok. Some of her fans waiting outside after her live. Rosaya was so happy dealing with her fans and she got a lot of beautiful photos that shows the real her who is very cute and lovely. Rosaya wears a pink dress that is very fit for her. Her looks as usual was very pretty.